There is no day for a mountain, no Tuesday. There is no 4 o'clock, no October, no coming, no going, no haste, no compunction, no waiting, no words. The seasons, a single spiral of rain, fire, blizzard, mist. The sky, clear sapphire, or the darkest charcoal mantle. Whichever. The mountains do not mark time. They are perfect in shape, wild in purity, immaculate in presence, heavenly. A vision of beauty, moving without motion through the eons. Today I am looking at the Olympic Mountains in Washington State. Their timelessness witnesses everything, as if they can see right through me, reach into the ground of being, know the true essence of what I am, more so than I do myself. And if I get quiet, if I get still, they teach me about the value of things. What things are precious and what things are not. Their ageless wisdom is beyond what the casual human can comprehend. Yet, there they are. They are here. Their attendance moves the mind away from immoderately dwelling on the din and spectacle of people. The encumbrance, the disquiet, the heaviness of things are of very little consequence here. It is hard to entertain foreboding for very long. And without my doing anything other than gently slowing the revolutions of mind and imagination, just to walk here, to sit here, plainly and openly, I am given a new seeing. The seeing of life from the mountain. It gives its wisdom freely. When I am here, I easily comprehend the things that count in life, and I discern the trivia that I occasionally mistake for substance. My illusions fade. What is wrong perishes. What is true radiates, revealing. It feels good. Pressure and anxiety find a different place. Their mental contamination is lessened, and perhaps, on occasion, cleansed. The burden of tasks becomes a doorway to emptiness. And the magnitude of my little problems vanishes when placed in this wider panorama of living. The mountains are very truthful. They will not deceive. The sun and the snow point to a deeper way of understanding this world. These great stone monuments know so much. 10,000 years unmoving, 10 million years unmoving, yet always nurturing, so grand, so serene in their silent authority. I love to look at them. I love to look at them. I mean, really see them. And for many years I couldn't do that. I didn't know how to. I mean, I saw them. There they were. The mountains of England and Wales and Scotland and France and Germany and Spain and Italy. I saw them alright. Big triangular things. Stone, rock, deep gorges and snowy summits. Really lovely. Yes, and I took photographs, appreciated the view, said, wow, to the person I was with. Yet inside I felt slightly removed from the scene, like I was viewing a living photograph of something, rather than the thing itself. I couldn't fully take it in. My aperture of experiential communion was too closed. I could only conceive of it mentally. I could not feel it. Now, I think back to it all, I recognize the irony of the situation. Even though I stood before them, the great mountains, and saw them, the only real seeing that took place was by them. They saw me. I could not see them. Many, many years had to pass by before I could see, before I learned to see. Many thousands of days of emptying and suffering and clearing and opening. So much had to be destroyed inside before I could look outside. It takes time to genuinely behold a thing, to perceive its natural essence. One must have a deep awareness of one's own essence. Opening takes time. Now, I can see into the nature of a thing quickly and deeply. There are ways to achieve this, and the ways I have found have become part of the supernal path that I teach. So today, when I look at these mountains, I understand more of their being. I am learning how they themselves guide us. I see more of their truth. And there is more to know. But the knowing they have already shared with me is so bountiful, so generous, I'm still letting it all sink in. Honestly, rarely a day goes by now in my life where I do not feel the mountains as allies along with me on the journey. I am so grateful for their presence. This divine ordinance made solid, right there in front of me every single day. Such command, such elevation, such dignity and power.